The functions f and g are defined by the given equations where 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Which of the following equations displays as a constant or coefficient the minimum value of the function it defines where 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Here we have two functions f of x and g of x. For both the functions, we have the same domain, that is 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. We have to find the minimum value of each of these two functions, and also we have to check whether the minimum value is displayed as a constant or coefficient over here in the given two functions. Okay, now we can use Desmos to solve this problem. That is, we can use Desmos to get the minimum value for each of these two functions. Okay, now first let me take the first function f of x. Okay, let me type it over here. That is f of x equals to 2 times 0.8 multiplied by 4, and it has to be raised to the power of x negative 4. And now let's define the domain. That is 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Okay, here I got the graph of the first function f of x over here. Let me zoom in. Now our aim is to get the minimum value of this function. For that, we have to consider the minimum point that's over here. Okay, when I consider the minimum point on the graph of the function f of x, the y coordinate is 0.025. The y coordinate 0.025 is the minimum value of the function f of x. Now we have to check whether this minimum value 0.025 is displayed as a constant or coefficient over here in the function f of x, but 0.025 is not displayed as a constant or coefficient over here. So the function f of x does not display its minimum value as a constant or coefficient, so we can reject the first one. Okay, now let me take the second function g of x in Desmos. Okay, let me type it. That is g of x equals to 64 times 0.3125 times 0.5, and the 0.5 has to be raised to the power of x positive 1, and the domain for this function also the same thing, that is 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Okay, let me zoom out so that we can see the function over here. Okay, here we have the graph of the second function g of x, and the minimum point is over here. At the minimum point, the y coordinate is 0.3125. So the y coordinate 0.3125 is the minimum value of the function g of x, and I find this value 0.3125 as a coefficient over here. So the second function g of x displays its minimum value 0.3125 as coefficient. So the correct answer choice for this question is B, 2 only.